says, hey, it's stuck here or won't go down, and I hear something, or there's a rattling, or what's the number one issue?
It gets stuck in an upright position.
But do you know why?
Power play.
What's that?
Power play.
Not according to Moto. And my own personal experience. Weak batteries in the remote. You see, this is wireless. This has to send a radio frequency to the sensor. If the batteries are weak signal, it gets confused, freeze, don't know what to do. It literally stops. But the customer calls and says, something's wrong with my motor, I want somebody to come out here, it's not working. So we all hear motor and go, oh my God, it's a motor issue. Tech goes out and goes, well, it's not working, I'm trying to, it's the batteries. The batteries are your first source.